Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I refresh Jeff's hair and style it in 2-strand twists. His locks are about 9 months old and are really coming together nicely. In this video, his hair is freshly shampooed and about 90% dry. We use the Mango and Lime brand to retwist his hair, and all of the products used will be linked in the description box. This is my 3rd time retwisting locks, so I'm not a pro yet, but I do have some tips and hacks for you all to set you up for success. So starting out, and this is especially for short locks, you're gonna want to section off the hair. I use ponytail holders and clips for this throughout the video, but once the hair is sectioned off, you can kind of really get a view of the locks that you want to begin with. I also think that sectioning off the hair is good, especially if someone has shaved sides or a temp like Jeff does, just to see everything clearly and give the barber specific areas to cut off. The method that I'm using today is palm rolling. There's other methods to retwist locks, but I think that palm rolling is actually the most beginner-friendly option. So when you palm roll, especially on shorter locks, I definitely do recommend palm rolling the entire length of the hair. And I've noticed from the last time that I did Jeff's hair to this time that this definitely helped to combat frizz, tuck in hairs that have not yet locked, and it coils the new growth. So for this 2-strand twist style, I palm roll each individual lock before I twist the 2 locks together. The next tip that I have to make the 2-strand twist on locks look great is to twist the individual locks within the 2-strand twist. I'll explain. So if you pay attention to my right hand, you can see that each time the hair crosses over, I rotate the individual lock and move it to the left side, and I repeat that process. This step really makes the 2-strand twist pop, and here's what it would look like if you don't do the individual rotation within the twist. The locks kind of just blend together and it doesn't give that really neat look. Another tip is to try to put the rubber band as close to the bottom of the twist as possible. This just gives the hair an overall neater look, and it helps to elongate the hair as well the further down the rubber band is.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we
find this content useful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for more content with Jeff, you can check out our Miami vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed, be productive, stay hydrated. Peace out, y'all.